Hi guys, what's going on? My name is Vanessa Evans-Swales and you're welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time that you're dropping by or maybe stopping by, do also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get to see more videos like this anytime I post. Thank you so much for the love in my previous video. I really appreciate, and I'm very grateful and happy about this. We're still in Pro Week, guys. We're still in Pro Week. We talked about serums. We learned how to make the vitamin B3 serum the last time. In today's video, you're going to learn how to make a gel cream moisturizer for mature skin. So if you know that you're really bent in this and you really want to learn how to make this, stay here. Sit down there, because you're about to learn something, a whole new experience. And if you know you've taken our emulsion potency course before, then this is one beautiful thing that you need to know. This is the cold process emulsion, guys. You know, we did not discuss that in emulsion potency. So right now you're going to learn how to make that and also sell that to your customers with mature skin. Now, the thing with mature skin is that they tend to lose moisture over time. Okay, now as babies are fortified with lots and lots of glutathione, and also they're also fortified with lots and lots of hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid and glutathione is already in their skin. It is rich in their skin. They have more of it, and that is why you see them, they're really looking supple, succulent. You know, they have this beautiful skin. That is it. Now, as we grow up, hyaluronic acid depletes from our skin. We tend to notice that our skin gets drier and drier and more sensitive over time. So when you grow, as you grow, you don't really want to focus on skin lightening. Even if you're skin lightening, then you need to make sure that you're boosting the moisture alongside. So moisture is important. Very much important. Moisture, using antioxidants, they are very much important, you know, for your skin. So hyaluronic acid is one beautiful ingredient that does mind-blowing things. It holds water on your skin. Okay, holds about 1,000 times its weight for water. So that is another beautiful ingredient that you want to consider using, or you want to actually watch out for or look out for anytime you're buying a product in the supermarket and you are over the age of maybe 35 or 40. This particular product that we're trying to make right now, it's a gel moisturizer that would really contain hyaluronic acid. It would also contain ceramide complex, which is also going to do, you know, it's going to speed the effect of its collagen. The collagen process is going to repair any damaged side on your skin, and it's also going to help with wrinkles and fine lines and what you're having them. So I'm not really going to talk too much about this. I'm not really going to go into details until we head into the lab and then create this product and learn how to make them. Okay, so let's head into the lab right now. So we want to start out by conducting the GMP process. This implements the good manufacturing practice whereby you sterilize your utensils, and this is what I'm doing here right now. I am using isopropyl alcohol to sanitize or sterilize all my equipment, and I'm using a tissue paper to get rid of the excess alcohol in my product, because we really don't want alcohol in this product at all. Now, since this is a cold process formulation, I'm using just normal room temperature water, and make sure you boil the water beforehand. And I'm adding my licorice extract right now. This is in liquid form, so I'm going to be adding, I want to make sure that we're using plain liquids in this particular formula so that we don't end up with you know, different particles running around in the product later on. Yeah, so make sure you stir to mix it very well, and then we're going ahead with coloring. So this is optional. I just decided to use, you know, this particular color to give it a very nice you know, just for aesthetic purposes, not really necessary. So we're going in with the cucumber extract right now. This is a very nice ingredient that would help to hydrate the skin. Okay, and this is the ceramide complex. This is the anti-aging formula, the main ingredients that is really going to help with the fine lines, the wrinkles, and so on and so forth. So you want to add that, and then you want to make sure you're mixing it very well in your water. This is what I'm doing here with my mini whisk. So right here is my hyaluronic acid, and this is what I'm adding right now. This is in a gel form. I have prehydrated it already, so I'm just adding it in liquid form right now. And here is my panthenol. So you want to add all the water phase ingredients in the water phase, mix in, and then the oil phase and the oil phase. So right here is my fruit acids. I'm just going to add my fruit acids to my beaker, and I'm going to add my rosehip oil. So we're actually at the oil phase right now. So even if this is a cold process formulation, you still need to have these phases, okay? They really help to organize things. And here is my beta carotene oil. Very, very good for skin lightening, skin brightening, fine lines. It is very rich in vitamin A, retinoic acid, so it's really going to do just good. And right here is my bakuchi oil. This is the natural alternative for retinol. And I just went ahead right now to add my neroli essential oils and my geranium essential oil. This is what we're going to be adding. It is optional if you don't want any essential oils, or maybe you react to fragrance or anything. So don't add that. So here is my gel maker EMU or Simo gel, you can call it. This is what this is the emulsifier for formula. So I like to mix it in the oil phase before I add it to my water phase. So I'm just going to stir as I pour in. Yeah. So you notice that there's fats all around it. Okay, there's a separation. Good. So that simply means it's getting hydrated. It's just like when you mix your zaitan gum in water, that happens. So you want to make sure you blend this so that you can get a full emulsified product, or else you just end up having a separated product, and you really don't want to have that. So I'm just going to do this for a while and then leave it to hydrate a little bit. So you want to leave it for about 5 minutes so that it gets thicker in a way, which is what I did here. And if you notice, it is already beginning to build its viscosity. So at this stage, I'm going to blend it again. I'm going to blend it again so that we could get the final thickness, maybe semi-final thickness for this product. So you can see it's giving me that beautiful creamy viscosity, or a thicker viscosity right now. That is what I'm having. So you want to make sure you stick blend this gently. Don't really stick blend for a very long time, else you incorporate too much and then it becomes too fluffy and very watery. So this is how it would look like for the day we just made it. During the next day, it's going to get thicker than what we're seeing right now. So I'm just going ahead adding my antioxidant. This is my tocopherol and my preservative, which is Germal Plus. Sorry. So that is Germal Plus, and I'm just going to stir again. You see, it's giving me a very beautiful texture. I really like to use this particular emulsifier because it does great and it's very hydrating. So I'm just giving it a last mix, and we're going to put this in a beaker and cover it up for maybe a day so that we get the final viscosity of the product the following day. So that is what I'm doing right now. So you want to make sure you have gotten to this stage before you wrap it up. So try and test it. We're going to just test it right now on someone's skin so that we can see how hydrating this is. It has a very, very, very less rub-in time. It doesn't soap. Yeah, it doesn't soap at all. So if you want to opt for silicones, you can actually opt for silicones instead of oil. Okay, but I decided to use rosehip oil because it's very, very good for the skin. So you can see how this is. It's very moisturizing and hydrating. And we're going to put this in a dark place so that the next day we get the final viscosity. Happy formulating. I know you enjoyed that video. I really know you enjoyed that video, and I hope you did enjoy that video. Now, if you did, do well to leave a thumbs up. Please don't do like this, do like this. Do this. And also drop your comments in your comment section or in the comment section, and I'm going to reply you if you have any questions for me. Not forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you get to see more videos like this anytime I post them. And if you know you want to connect with me and you want to make this product, or you want to buy this product from us, even if we don't have them in the website yet, you can also do a back order by sending a mail to the mail listed right there at the the description box. So go there. You're also going to see the list of the ingredients, and if you can't find the list of the ingredients, then maybe you will find a link, or you can just send us a mail as to how you get the full formula, okay, for this particular gel moisturizer that we just maintained right now. I'm going to see you again next time in our next video. Bye.